Good day, dolls and gents. So just a little ASMR for y'all. Maybe I'll save this package to do a short 5-minute ASMR video. But I received a winnings from a giveaway. The YouTube channel is Lushing Beauty. I will link it down below. You guys, she has been on YouTube for some years and would love for you guys to go and show her some love. I would love for you to go support her channel. Go check her out and follow her. Show her some love. And please, 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 even her Instagram, I'm going to try to link it down below. Let her know that I sent you. So let's just go get into it. I don't want to cut anything, so I'm going to cut it like right at the top. Right at the top. Alright. She had a giveaway on her YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you guys what it was. And I'm just going to reach in here and pull out. I don't mess nothing up. So this is the first thing, and this is a Fashion Nova. Show y'all. Don't mind my patio. Fashion Nova 2-piece pant set, pajama set. Oh my gosh. And I need this. That is crazy. I need this, you guys, and you'll find out why later if I decide to blog it. But your girl needs this, and it's pink. I love pink. Y'all know I love pink. Okay, let's see what the next item is in the package. And I'll lay these out and show y'all all of them at the end. Oh, wow. Who does not need charging cables? Okay, y'all. Actually, mine just broke. So I think she might be a little psychic, but mine just broke. So this is a charging cable for fast charging. Let me turn on the flash. Yeah, I'll turn on the flash for y'all. All right, let's dig in here. I'm digging in like it's a surprise, y'all. I'm just sticking my hand in the bag. Oh, wow. Oh, I have wanted to try this. The Nutrium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. Everybody on TikTok, this is all I see. All I see them talking about. And I said when I finish the 15 body washes I got now, I'm going to purchase this, but I don't have to wait. I want to know what the hype is about this body wash. If y'all know what the hype is about this body wash, holla at me. Put it down below, because I want to know. All right, I'm going to stick my hand in here and pull out something. Oh, Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Mini. Rare Beauty Mini Lotion and Fragrance Set. I am going out of town next month. Boop, boop, boop. Not even gonna open this. I'm going out of town next month, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this on top of my suitcase. I don't want to forget it. I've already been packing my bag, baby. Already been packing my bag. All right, I grabbed something here. Oh, Salt and Stone. A Salt and Stone deodorant. I gotta open this. All right. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, y'all, it smells. I'm showing y'all the top. So good. Oh my gosh. So, oh my gosh. And the thing about it is, this stuff is stuff that I don't have and that I have never had. Y'all notice that? This is crazy because the stuff that she sent is stuff that I have never owned. So I'm getting to try it for the first time. All right, now it seems to be big stuff. So let's see if I grabbed everything. Oh, y'all look. Looky, looky. Let's see what's going on here. Another travel pouch for my trip. And this is the Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Amber Nudes. And these are the colors. Your girl is going to be trip ready. Okay? When I tell y'all trip ready, okay? And this is a New York City. Is this Disney? New York City. Ah, stop. Stop it. Listen, let me tell y'all something. This is a Starbucks bag from New York City. This is a Starbucks tote. let me tell y'all something. If anybody in these states, if anybody is near the Dunkin's coffee shops, the actual Dunkin' coffee shops that sell the Dunkin' merchandise, there are Dunkin' coffee shops that sell like Dunkin' merchandise. If anybody is near their private, message me because I need something from there. Okay, look at this tote. I need a tote. Let me turn the camera around. Hold on, y'all, because we don't have this here. Hold on, y'all. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you everything I got. I can't find the Dunkin' store, but there is a Dunkin' store. I'm not talking about a Dunkin' coffee shop. They do sell coffee. There's none in Florida. But there is a Dunkin' store where you can get tote bags and T-shirts and stuff like this. And they are freestanding stores. I think it's like New York. It's not Texas. It might be Oklahoma. I have to find it one day for y'all. But there are Dunkin' actual stores, and they sell nothing but merchandise. I think they sell coffee too, but nothing but Dunkin' merchandise. So I'll find it for y'all. But she got me a Starbucks tote. Look at y'all, and it says New York right there, y'all. Ooh. All right, this is everything that I received from the beautiful, wonderful Lushing Beauty. Thank you so much. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate this, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to try things that I have never even had the opportunity to try or purchase before. Super, super excited. Thank you for getting me somewhat ready for my trip. And you guys go over and follow her Instagram and YouTube. If I can find her TikTok, I'll post it, and just hashtag Fearless Femme. That lets her know I sent you. Hashtag Fearless Femme. Thank you. Love you guys. Please go show her some support. And I will see you in the next one.